Hello guys, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, we will explore how to enable macros in Excel worksheet. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel workbook now. Navigate to the Developer tab and select Macro Security. A drop-down menu may appear. Here you can see Macro Setting menu, and there is an option of Disable all macros with notification. That means all macros are disabled. So all we need to do is just click on the enable option and check out this option. Now click OK. Then after go to the view tab and click on macros. You can now run macros from here. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.